Vegetable slicer. Multifunction Mandoline slicer. Veggie dicers. Food choppers. Cutter with 4 replaceable blades and container for carrot, potato, cucumber, vegetables. This amazing product has multi-functions for you. The vegetable chopper has 4 blades to meet your needs for cutting vegetables in various shapes. Mandoline slicer is made of rust-proof and durable stainless steel, which can maintain the sharpness of the blade and realize clear and smooth cutting and grinding. The food dicer has a built-in drain basket. You can put the washed vegetables into it. The vegetable cutter provides an effective handguard to prevent accidental injuries to fingers. After use, all blades can be stored in the top cover of the chopper. The vegetable slicer can easily chop various vegetables and fruits, and can also be sliced. For example, onions, mushrooms, cucumbers, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, etc. Thanks for watching our video. Like our channel, share it, and subscribe to our channel.